Hello, fellow viewers. Welcome to today's video, where I'll be sharing with you the top 9 financial advice tips to help you achieve financial freedom. I'm excited to guide you on this journey towards a more secure and prosperous future. Tip 1. Create a budget and stick to it. Understanding where your money is going is crucial in taking control of your finances. By setting a budget and tracking your expenses, you can make informed decisions about where to allocate your funds. Tip 2. Build an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected surprises, and having a financial safety net in place can provide peace of mind during challenging times. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. Tip 3. Invest in yourself. Continuous learning and personal development are key components of financial success. Whether it's acquiring new skills, pursuing higher education, or investing in your health, remember that you are your greatest asset. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Tip 4. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky in today's unpredictable economy. Explore different ways to generate passive income, such as investing in stocks, real estate, or starting a side hustle. Tip 5. Pay off high-interest debt. Carrying a burden of debt can hinder your financial progress and limit your ability to build wealth. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first and consider consolidating or refinancing to lower your interest rates. Tip 6. Set clear financial goals. Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve financially can help you stay motivated and committed to your plan. Whether it's buying a home, retiring early, or traveling the world, set specific, achievable goals and create a roadmap to reach them. Tip 7. Plan for retirement. It's never too early to start planning for your future. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as 401k or IRA, and contribute regularly to secure a comfortable retirement lifestyle. Tip 8. Protect your assets. Unexpected events such as illness, accidents, or lawsuits can threaten your financial stability. Make sure to have adequate insurance coverage, such as health, life, and property insurance, to safeguard your assets and loved ones. Tip 9. Seek professional guidance. Financial planning can be complex, and seeking advice from a certified financial planner or advisor can provide valuable insights and strategies tailored to your specific needs and goals. Thank you for joining me on this journey to financial freedom. Remember, with discipline, determination, and smart financial decisions, you can pave the way to a brighter and more prosperous future. Stay tuned for more insightful content on achieving financial success. Until next time, take care and keep striving for greatness.